For Badge 1 Challenge 5, we were asked to create a iCloud file for the class EDCI 270, as well as organize it for the different assignments that we will be given. So I have this fun folder right here full of college stuff, and if you click on it, you can go into Spring 2020, which is the semester we're in now, to EDCI 270, which is the course for this assignment. And you can see there's case studies and course theme as well. So I have two different folders for the different activities we will be doing. If you go into the course theme, you can find the badges and images and videos. In the badges folder, we have all of the different things that I have completed so far for our first badge. And if you go back and look at the images and videos, there's only one file in here currently, but it has all of the images as well as links to things that I've put into the first couple challenges, the PowerPoints, the first blog post, etc.